With your UnitWise website powered by HTML5, you can do nearly anything. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can customize your theme and design, add unlimited pages, customize your settings and layout, and of course, create compelling content for your website. And to get started on your website, from UnitWise you can go to Social Media and then select My Website. To edit the website itself, you can click on Edit Site at the top. With our HTML5 website editor, you can edit the content directly as it appears on the site. So if you wanted to change something in the header, you can just click on it and make any changes. To customize your theme and design, you can use the options on the left-hand side. At the top left, we have the Themes option. Here you can choose the theme that matches your individual style. And to customize your site even further, you can click on the Design option to customize the background of your site. You can upload an image from your computer or choose one of the images from the UnitWise library. And when you found one, you can click Save and Apply to save it to your website. To add pages to your website, you can click on the Add Page tab on the left. Here you can choose from our page templates, which include Make My Own Page, Training Center, Special Recognition, Calendar, My Profile, Contact Me, Blog, Photo Gallery, Guest Book, and Link to Page or Link to Document. So after you enter the page name and select a template, you can select whether or not you would like the page to be password protected. The page slug will automatically be entered for you, and you can also select to hide the page if you don't want the page to be visible. Now let's take a look at these page templates with a little more detail. The Training Center page can be used to educate your team by sharing documents, images, and links to important training information. To edit this, you can click on the Edit icon on the left, and from your UnitWise account in the Resource Library section, you can add documents to your Training Center. We have categories already created for you, and you can add more if you wish. Each document you add will automatically be added to your Training Center on your website. To recognize your consultant's achievements, UnitWise also has a special recognition page, and you can click the Edit button on the left to actually sync this information with Intouch to pull the most up-to-date information for your unit. You may edit the content as you wish and save it to be published on your website. Your website also has a public calendar, so you can share your unit meetings, parties, classes, and more online so that everyone can stay up to date. When you edit this information on your UnitWise site, you can add more information about this event, select whether it repeats or not, add invitees, and even set up a reminder email to be sent before the event takes place. You can also set up text message reminders for yourself. To set up your profile information, you can go to Social Media and select My Profile. All the information you enter here will automatically be put on the My Profile section on your website, so you can share your Mary Kay story as well as a little personal information about yourself and your family. A Contact Me page is also included in your website so that people can contact you directly. This is handy for gathering leads straight from your website. And to keep your website up to date, you can also write your own blogs. And to add this information, you can do this under Social Media and Blogs. Here you can add new posts full of pictures, links, videos, and more. To add a photo gallery, you can go to the Photo Gallery section of the Resource Library. The Photo Gallery is for adding albums, so you can post full albums of your Mary Kay trips, classes, parties, and so forth. Once they're added on your Photo Gallery page in your Resource Library, they will automatically be added to the Photo Gallery page on your website. And on the Guest Book page, anyone who visits your website can leave a comment that you can respond to. So if anybody has any questions for you or would like to congratulate someone on the team, they can do that on the Guest Book. Your Guest Book comments can be approved under Social Media, My Website, and then Manage Guest Book. You can select to automatically approve Guest Book comments or approve them manually. Now, to actually add information to your website, you can just click anywhere and start typing. You can change the font, change the size, color, and much more. To add images to your site, you can click the Image button at the top and then click Browse Server to browse the images in your document library. If you're looking for an image that has not been added to your resource library, you can upload it from your computer using the option at the top. After you select an image, you can click OK, and it will be added to your site. If you wanted to add several pictures at once, sometimes it's helpful to do so in a table. For example, I'll click on the table button in the editor. I'll say 1 row with 3 columns, and it's going to create that table for me. So if you wanted to have lots of pictures, you could simply add them into this table, and it will evenly space them apart. And tables can of course also be used for adding information with a spreadsheet layout. For adding videos, you can upload any file from YouTube or Vimeo, and you can use the Embed YouTube Video button. With this button, you can simply paste the embed code from any YouTube video. So you can simply choose the embed code or the video URL and click OK to add the video to your site. To upload another sort of HTML object, like a playlist from another site, a Facebook like box, or a Twitter feed, you can click the Embed Media button and paste an HTML code from the tool you're trying to add. For example, I'll paste a playlist code here from SoundCloud, and now it's on the website. There's almost no limit to what you can do with your UnitWise website. And of course, remember to click Apply to apply these changes to your site, and you can always select the Back button at the top to review the rest of your UnitWise information. After you start creating pages on your website, you may want to move the menus around. You can use the General Settings option to add information about your site, such as the name and description. You can also add terms and conditions to your page and customize the menu order. Here you can simply drag and drop pages to customize your website the way you prefer it to be laid out, and click Save Page Order when you're done. And you can always click the Back button at the top to review the rest of your UnitWise information. From here you can manage things like your guest book, manage your site password, as well as your SEO information, and book a custom domain through UnitWise. By default, your website address is your username.unitwise.com, but you can also buy your own domain through UnitWise if you would like a custom domain. This has been a brief tour of your UnitWise website, and there's still more you can do with it. If you have questions, you can contact our support heroes at 704-234-6006 or send us an email at heroes@unitwise.com. We'd be glad to talk to you. Have fun with your website.